This is a Black Knight puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Sherzod Khaydarbekov from Uzbekistan and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to get the Black Knight to the black square using just standard chess moves. This puzzle has 13 chess pieces in total, 4 white knights, 4 bishops, 4 rooks and 1 black knight. And no, you are not allowed to capture other color pieces. Like if you capture the white knight with a black knight, with the next move the black knight will be captured and the game is over. So you have to use only moves from chess. That means that the rook goes only on straight lines, the bishop can go on a diagonal, and the knight can go 2 and 1. So you just have to follow the correct steps. This is a quite fun chess puzzle, and if you like it and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. The shortest possible solution is around like 24 moves, but this puzzle is fun because you can solve it every day, and every day you can have a different solution depending on your mood, on how you move the next chess piece. Since you can start with the rook, for example, and then move another rook, then maybe you move a bishop, or maybe you move a bishop and then move a knight. So there is plenty of possibilities with each move to go in a different route and have a different solution. And now I will show you the shortest one, which is about 20 moves. So you move these 2 rooks here, then this bishop goes right here, this white knight goes to this open spot, and then this bishop goes here, white knight goes right there, this bishop goes down, then you move this white knight right in here, and then this bishop goes down here. The next move will be with this white knight, it goes up, then the black knight goes down in here, this bishop goes up, we move this knight to this open spot and then move this bishop up here. The next step will be to move this rook and this bishop down. Actually, I think that I had to do it like that. It doesn't matter. So I had to reorganize the bishops so that I can move reorganize the rook so they can move the bishop down. Then this goes up. The white knight goes in here. The black knight goes up. You move this rook here. This white knight goes to the open spot, and then the black knight goes in here, and the puzzle is solved. And that was one of the shortest solutions of the Black Knight puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great chess puzzles designed by Sherzod Khaydarbekov, go to puzzlemaster.ca.